What's going on, everyone? Thomas from Power Performance here. I know I don't have one of my fancy button-ups on today, but I'm here to show you guys this freaking badass 2021 Jeep Gladiator. For the suspension side of things on this 21 Gladiator, we utilized an Evo Manufacturing Pro Enforcer Stage 4 kit. Utilizes a long arm, limit strap, king coilovers, all four corners, and it cycles about 14 inches of travel. In the wheel and tire department, we went with none other than the Innovate Racing G600s, anodized black with an anthracite ring, wrapped in a Toyo tire 37-13-50-17 Toyo Open Country MT. And because this thing isn't just gonna be a mall crawler, we went with the Rockside Engineering powered steps that also retract up and act like a rock slider for when you're off-road in the trails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as our customers are gonna enjoy this thing off-road. Hopefully you like your Jeep Dawn. This thing's pretty badass.